front, because normally, you know, we take longer to do the back cleaning and all the kind of stuff. I like to do like the zombie bad, so you can back windows, kind of like zombie stuff. Hard, so it's gonna get rid of. Let's start with this back window. Yes, it comes out. All right, leave it up over here. Yeah. Been cleaning the glass with it, but unfortunately it was in between. So I actually picked up this one. So using a lot of knives, but you know, with those you can. So just the top, and then like a good to go. Squeeze that out. So nice. It looks very, very nice. There is no dirt. There is no contamination. Happy with work. That's all about that. Down. So just, you know, applying some glue. Make sure it doesn't touches. Slow. This one too. You know, this big window sometimes. You know, the window's a little. Car ever been tinted before? No? Okay, it also have appointments ahead of you too. Then, like I said, and then get no contamination at all. It slides it squeegee to, you know, being a little on the way. You can see the reflection back.